In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export data from Xero to Excel, a process that should take around 5 minutes. Let's get started right away. First, the key component here is logging into your Xero account. To do this, head to your internet browser and navigate to the Xero login page. Once you're there, click on the Login button, which will prompt you to enter your login credentials. Please ensure you input your email and password correctly, as even a small typo can prevent you from accessing your account. If you've forgotten your password, Xero offers a useful forgot password option to help you reset it. Once logged in, the next step is to visit the dashboard within Xero. Once you're on the dashboard, you'll see a menu at the top of the page. Here you want to look for the Accounting tab. Click on it and then select Reports from the drop-down menu. Reports in Xero give you a detailed analysis of your financial data, which makes them ideal for export purposes. When you're in the Reports section, you'll need to choose which specific report you'd like to export. Xero offers a variety of reports, so take a moment to determine which one suits your needs. After selecting the desired report, you'll be prompted to specify a date range for the data you want to export. If Xero offers you the option to compare dates or other data sets, be sure to use these options to tailor the report to exactly match your requirements. Once you have selected the report and chosen the appropriate date range, it's important to click on Update. This will refresh the report and apply any changes or selections you just made. After reviewing the updated report and ensuring that it contains all the necessary information, navigate to the top right corner of the page where you'll find the Export button. Click on Export, but we're not finished yet. You'll then see some format options. For this tutorial, we are going to export the data into Excel format. Therefore, go ahead and click on Excel to initiate the download. Congratulations. The report is now downloaded to your computer in an Excel file format. You can open it using Excel or any other spreadsheet software that supports Excel files, allowing you to make any modifications, analyses, or presentations as required. And there you have it, a straightforward way to export data from Xero to Excel. Be sure to keep your data secure and back it up in case you need it for future reference. Thank you for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. See you in the next video.